What if I told you that becoming a millionaire is not about luck, talent, or even how much you earn? It all comes down to a set of powerful habits that the wealthy follow religiously. In this video, we'll uncover 5 millionaire habits that can transform your financial future faster than you think. And here's the catch. Habit number 5 is the one secret that almost every self-made millionaire swears by, yet most people completely overlook. Stay until the end, because missing this could cost you years of lost wealth. Let's dive in. The first and most crucial habit of millionaires is mastering their mindset. Wealth starts in the mind before it appears in your bank account. If you think like the average person, fearing risk, doubting success, and believing money is evil, you'll stay stuck. Millionaires train their minds to see opportunities where others see obstacles. They read, learn, and constantly challenge their beliefs about money. If you start reprogramming your mindset today, you're already ahead of 90% of people who will never break free from financial struggle. Millionaires follow a simple yet life-changing rule. Pay yourself first. The moment they receive income, they automatically set aside money for savings and investments before spending a single dollar. The average person does the opposite. They pay bills, spend on wants, and only save whatever is left, which is often nothing. If you don't prioritize your future, no one else will. Even if you start with just 10% of your income, this habit will build the foundation for your financial empire. Relying on a single paycheck is a recipe for financial disaster. The rich know this, which is why they develop multiple streams of income. Whether it's real estate, investments, side businesses, or digital assets, they create money machines that work for them even while they sleep. If you're only earning from one job, you're one step away from financial insecurity. Start small, invest, create a side hustle, or monetize your skills online. The sooner you diversify your income, the closer you get to financial freedom. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you're surrounded by people with a poverty mindset, guess what? That mindset will rub off on you. Millionaires build powerful networks by surrounding themselves with ambitious, intelligent, and successful people. They invest in relationships that open doors to opportunities most people never even see. If you want to level up your life, start by leveling up your circle. Connect with mentors, attend networking events, and learn from those who are where you want to be. And now, the most powerful millionaire habit that almost no one talks about. This is the habit that separates the ultra-successful from everyone else. It's the key to multiplying your wealth and accelerating your journey to financial freedom. Yet most people ignore it entirely. Are you ready? Here it is. This single habit could be the difference between struggling financially for decades or reaching financial independence in record time. If you truly want to know what it is, watch our next video where we reveal this game-changing strategy in detail. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you want to build wealth and escape the financial traps that keep most people stuck, start applying these 5 habits today. They have the power to change your life, if you take action. Don't forget to subscribe to the Millionaire's Handbook for more expert strategies on growing your wealth, and check out our next video for the millionaire secret that will transform your financial future. See you there.